Good afternoon, y'all. This is going on 12:30. Sorry I'm late vlogging. I uploaded my yesterday's vlog today, but I'm just not feeling great today, you know, I'm kind of punky. So, I'm just trying to make the best of it. I have a doctor's appointment at 1:45. Oh, it's such a mess out there. But yeah, so I have that appointment at 1:45. Do I want to go? No. But I'm going to do a little gathering tomorrow for the Packer game. Maybe some finger foods and whatnot out in the... They have a TV out there, so... And I have Amazon Prime, so I might as well get some use out of it. But I'm sure nobody will stop by, so... But yeah, maybe grill something. It'd be kind of fun, but nobody will show up. That's always what happens. I don't know why I have these bright ideas of doing things, because it's just like pulling teeth. So yeah. So I'm gonna head to the appointment. I might stop at St. Vinny's, and then I'm gonna come home and finish my bedding. Because that's what I have going right now. I decided to wash my bedding. It was gross. I gotta put deodorant on too. I'm a stinky boy. I've been sweating all the time. I'm always sweating. And I don't know why. It's very annoying. But that's what happens. I guess. Sorry, I'm trying to do some computer work here. So yeah, yesterday's vlog is up. So it worked. I only have, it was a very short vlog, but yeah, so I'm gonna log off now. I'm just gonna try to have a chill day. It snowed last night. We had ice, freezing rain, and sleet all night. And the mailman got stuck this morning, but it looks like it's thawing again on the porch. So we'll see. We're supposed to get some snow tomorrow too. But yeah, so that is that. I'm hoping I make it to the office because the roads are pretty shitty still, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'll check in with you all later. Good Saturday afternoon, y'all. It is Saturday, January 10th, 2025. I'm currently making soup. Chicken noodle soup for the soul. That's what I'm making today. Out in the shed here on my little burner. I'm doing it in a pot this time because I have to add more stuff to it. But yeah, it's really good. It smells so good. So here it is. Oh, you're getting my hand in the... There we go. There it is, right there. So good and divine. It's a perfect day for it. I burnt some boxes today. I had burned some boxes today because they were getting too much. So the fire is out now. Well, it's getting there. I'm so glad. But yeah, so that's about all for this Saturday afternoon. We're supposed to get quite a bit of snow tonight, unfortunately. So it's going to be a night of staying in. I'm going to run some soup over to my friend because she's sick with influenza. So I figured some nice warm chicken noodle soup will definitely help her soul today. So yeah. Oh, my poor coat jacket. I put one of those tumbleweeds in there to start the fire with, and my whole jacket is full of tumbleweed. So yeah, so that's about all today. I will check in with you all later. Good Sunday afternoon, y'all. It is a few minutes after noon. Been cleaning out snow again. We have a lot of snow again out there. Unfortunately. We got about 11 inches last night. I just don't know where to put it all. It's annoying. But yeah, we definitely have the snow. And we're supposed to get more this week. So I have like a toothache, or not even a toothache, I don't know, from eating those stupid Tootsie Roll things. I think just constantly biting down on them. It's hurting me, so I have to stay away from them. I'm gonna throw a pizza in out here. Because I'm hungry. And maybe I'll do the rest of these Hot Pockets. That works too. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, I better take this burner off of there though. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for lunch. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat much for breakfast this morning, so I need to get rid of all those stupid resealable bags. I gotta store them somewhere. 1 second. And then tonight's dinner will be soup. I made chicken noodle soup yesterday. So divine. It was really good. I gotta get those nipples off the window that hold the bird feeder up there. I'm not putting the bird feeder in anymore. It's just foolish. I gotta go out and do some more shoveling. I mean, there's absolutely nowhere to put the snow anymore. It's so high. So I'm gonna let y'all go. My things are cooking and I will check in with y'all later. Hi all, welcome to the vlog. So I have some clothes that I gotta hang up now. I have a toothache, so if I'm talking a little funny, that's why. So I have to make a call to the dentist tomorrow. It hurts really bad. It's horrible. It's like a thump, 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 thump. So I'm gonna get started with putting up these clothes. So I will see you in a bit. Hi y'all, welcome to the vlog. I am not feeling good right now. I was gonna go to the store and then all of a sudden I started feeling I got really nauseous. So I'm sitting in the bathroom now next to the toilet. This tooth is really bad. I'm calling in tomorrow because I gotta get to the dentist like right away tomorrow. But I don't know what's this. And my heart rate went all the way up to 133. I started shaking, getting really sweaty. It felt like I had to throw up. So I don't know if that's just because of my... I don't even know where that came from. I just started feeling really weird. not good. So I'm gonna take a nice hot shower and see what that does, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm done.